Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the admissions of a partner. Now we have already discussed about the valuation of goodwill as well as the methods related to the admissions of a partner. Like the first is paid privately already discussed. Now I am moving towards the next second method of the uh, admissions of a new partners. When a new partner is bringing the goodwill in cash. So the first of all you may understand that here I am discussing only the second method called as when the new partner brings the goodwill in cash. According to this method, there are the two alternates. So first of all, you have to make focus on the which alternate is required. So when you are moving to the A part, it is referring to the when the amount of goodwill brought in by the new partner is retained in the business. So just to listen here, when a new partner is coming with the shares, his share and this share is remain in the business, retained in the business. So it will be distributed but not to be drawn by the partner in the conditions number A. But when the amount of premium is withdrawn by the old partners, so it means the first A part you have to do fully first and then apply the one more entry related with the money withdrawn by the old partners which is contributed as a premium by the new partners. So here the word is A part is no need to follow the B, but when you are following the B, it means you have to pass the all the entries related with the A parts. So first, if the withdrawn is there, so first pass the entries of the retain in business, the goodwill, and the second is the withdrawn entries. But when the only the retain in the business is there, so please don't pass the entries related with the withdrawn by the goodwill by the old partners. So now I am moving to the treatment of A. When the amount of goodwill or the premium is to be introduced by the new partners and retained in business, then first condition is the amount is to be brought in by new partners. Then what will be the journal entry? The journal entry, cash account debit, sometime maybe through the check to bank can be used, but cash account debit to the premium for goodwill. This entry is only for the premium for goodwill because we are discussing here premium. But sometime the combined entry of the capitals introduced by the new partners also attached. So cash account debit to the premium for goodwill account debit, uh, cash account debit to the premium for goodwill account and to the new partners capital account can be listed here. But our treatment is for the goodwill, so the further treatment will be shown for the premium only. So the premium entries is only cash account debit to the premium for goodwill account. And the premium for goodwill account word is referring to his share. If the whole capital is whole value of the goodwill is given, convert into his share, means part of incoming partners ratio. So when it is passed, then the retained business entries will be passed at the numbers 2. The next entry is retained in the business. So premium for goodwill is debited to the old partners capital account. So here the old partners capital account is showing to the sacrificing partners capital account. When I am saying sacrificing partners are there, it means the person those who are giving his shares in the favor of incoming partners only called sacrificing partners. So old means sacrificing partners capitals account will be credited, and because the sacrificing capitals are here, so ratio will be applied sacrificing. So the premium for goodwill account debit to old partners capital account, so the premium is to be distributed among old partners in sacrificing ratio. If one person is sacrificing, so you have to place to the listed sacrificing partner only, means the one person name should be there, the whole amount will go to the one, or equally then the amount will be equally to be divided among the, means the which ratio is sacrificing only that partners will be listed here. So I think for the retain of business, first entry is cash to the premium for goodwill with his shares of the incoming partners, and then premium for goodwill with the same value will be debited, and then to the old partners capital account, and this amount is to be distributed among the old partners in sacrificing ratio. This is the case number A. But when I am moving to the B, it means A first you have to pass as usual. Now moving to the when the amount of premium brought in by the new partner is withdrawn by the old partners. The old partner means the sacrificing partners. So first two entries are the same. You may observe brought in, that means cash account to premium for goodwill with his shares. And now second one is premium for goodwill to the old partners means sacrificing partner in sacrificing ratio will be applied here. And the last entry is I am focusing for the conditions number B, that is related with the amount withdrawn by the old partners. The partners, those who are credited only can be debited. It means the sacrificing partners can be debited only and they can withdraw the money only. So the old partners capital account debit to cash account. Sometime they may withdraw the full amount if they are taking the part. So first you have to take the part of the credited items and then to cash. I think the part B is covering the whole aspect of the second method. Goodwill bring in cash and retaining business and withdrawn by the partners. First two entries for retaining business and the last entry is covering the whole retain and the withdrawn. It means the retain entry will be passed first and then the withdrawn entry will be passed. So thank you.